A group of friends rented a house in the Appalachian Mountains for New Year's Eve. The locals warned them about one rule: never make noise after midnight. But of course, they didn't care and threw the loudest party of their lives. Around 2 a.m., one of them looked out the window and saw an old woman standing at the edge of the woods, just staring at the house. They ignored her and kept partying. Hours later, when they checked the backyard, they found strange symbols carved into the ground that weren't there before. That's when things started happening. Doors slamming on their own, whispers in empty rooms, shadow figures in the hallways. They called the police, but officers found nothing and said they were just imagining things. By the time they tried to leave, the car wouldn't start. They were stuck in that house, and whatever that old woman left in their backyard, it's still there.